Hello friends, welcome to my channel Namish. Today we are going to learn about the simple interest. What do you mean by interest? Yes, interest means when we deposit some money to bank for a specific time period. After that specific time period, the extra money which we get is known as interest. Let's take an example like I deposit 500 rupees for 2 months, and after 2 months I got 550 rupees. The amount 50 is here our interest and 500 is our principal. I give 500 rupees and I got 550. The 50 which I got extra money is known as interest. For easy calculation I am going to tell you the formula of interest. Interest, I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T, interest, equals to principal, I-N-C-I, principal, P-A-L, principal, multiply by the rate, A-T-E, rate, multiply by the time, time by 100, equals to P R T by 100. P means principal, R means rate and T means time. Okay, this is the formula how to calculate the interest. Let's take an example and solve that example. Okay. In the question, it is given that the principal is equals to rupees 5,000. Okay. Rate equals to 9%. 9% per annum. And time equals to 2 years. 2 years. Okay. And the formula of interest was P R T by 100. Okay, let's put the value. It will come 5,000 multiply by rate 9%, 9 multiply by time 2 years, 2 by 100. Okay, 2 zeros of 100 is cut with the 2 zeros of 5,000. It remains 50. 50 2s are 100. 100 9s are 900. It means our value is equals to rupees 900. Okay, 900 rupees. That means we get 900 rupees extra after the 2 years. Now, principal plus interest. Principal 5,000 plus the interest 900 plus 900 is equals to rupees 5,900 rupees. It means after the 2 years I get 5,900 rupees back. I deposit 5,000 rupees in the bank and 900 rupees is our interest. After adding this both value, the answer is 5,900. It means I got 900 rupees extra from bank. Thanks friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like share my video. Bye bye.